Hi guys! Samahan nyo akong i-unpack itong special package ng Honor Philippines para sa lahat ng magpi-pre-order ng Honor 400 5G from June 17 to June 27, 2025. Okay? Let's go! Ang official price ng Honor 400 5G sa Philippines ay 22,999. Kung makakapag-pre-order kayo successfully, makukuha nyo ang lahat ng freebies na to worth 9,397. So check out natin isa-isa guys. So set aside muna natin itong Honor 400 5G unit itself. Mamaya unbox natin yan. So mag-start tayo dito sa Honor Choice Earbuds Clip. Ang presyo nito guys ay 4,999. So open natin yung box. Ayan, so remove natin yung plastic cover guys. And as you can see, nakaprint naman dun sa box yung mga key features ng product. And ito yung documentation niya, yung quick start guide as well as the warranty information. So let's just remove this plastic cover. And this is the charging case guys ng ating Honor Choice Earbuds Clip. So ayan siya, it's as the name suggests, it's a clip type na earbuds. Ganda. Next, let's move to the JBL Go 4 speaker. Ang presyo nito ay 2,599. Pull lang natin tong paper strip sa baba so we can open the box. And there you go guys, this is the JBL Go 4. O diba ang cute? So what I have here is the blue colorway. Ganda. IP67 water and dust proof din to guys, so you can take this with you on a road trip with your barkada, so you can play your favorite songs while you're at the beach. Ang cool nung quick start guide niya guys, so may mga photos pa, tas meron ding tech spec part dito. Now let's try to pair it with our Honor 400 5G.
How are you in your beautiful soul?
Next, let's unpack the Jisoo Life Fan Pro 1, and this one is priced at 1,799. Nakalagay sa box niya guys, the world's #1 portable fan brand. So do you agree with that? I think many of you will. So ano bang mga key features nito? Meron siyang up to 100 speed level. Meron ding smart LED digital display. Ang battery life nito up to 12 hours and meron siyang safety switch lock design. So ano-ano ba yung mga kasama sa box? So earlier nakita natin yung free carrying pouch and also of course the Jisoo Life Fan Pro 1 unit itself. Dito sa ilalim meron siyang separate na box for the accessories. Check out natin isa-isa. Ito yung kanyang charging cable, USB Type-C charging cable. Ito naman yung kanyang free lanyard. And ito yung quick start guide. So ayan na yung lahat ng kasama guys. Ngayon buksan na natin. So let's switch it on at the back and just click on the wheel in front. And let's just scroll up hanggang marating natin yung level 100. Ng hangin, refreshing. So turn off muna natin ulit by clicking on the toggle wheel again and also turning off the switch at the back. Okay. Very useful itong Jisoo Life Fan Pro 1 guys, especially if you're like me na madaling pagpawisan or if you're always out and about. Finally, dagdag na natin tong Honor 400 5G unit natin with the free soft silicone case. Alright, get a chance to win a free Hermes bag or a Rolex watch when you pre-order Honor 400 5G. Now let's unbox the Honor 400 5G official retail package for the Philippines. So let's remove the plastic cover. What we have here is a plain white box with subtle gold prints showing the name of the phone as well as the brand name. And at the bottom here, as you can see, we have the desert gold colorway. Now let's lift the cover and check out everything inside. This is the Honor 400 5G unit itself with a plastic cover protecting it during shipping. Okay. Next, we have this. This is the metal pin for ejecting the SIM card tray. And inside, we have more items. This is the quick start guide. And this is the free soft silicone case, so you won't have to purchase one separately. Okay. Moving forward, we have the USB Type-C charging cable, which you can also use for data transfer. And finally, we have the 100 watts Honor Supercharge travel charger. However, the Honor 400 5G only supports up to 80 watts fast charging, which the travel charger easily covers. Let's remove the plastic cover as well as the IMEI sticker at the back of the device. Alright. What a handsome phone. Again, this is the Desert Gold colorway of Honor 400 5G. I like the subtle gold tone. I find it very classy and sophisticated. Now let's turn on the Honor 400 5G and set it up for the first time. I'm sure familiar na tong process na to sa inyo guys, so just watch me do an initial setup of my Honor 400 5G. One useful security feature of the Honor 400 5G is its optical under-display fingerprint scanner. So let's register one fingerprint. Let's choose gestures for system navigation. And we're finally inside the Magic OS 9 user interface of Honor 400 5G. Let's navigate the UI a bit and check out the different Honor AI features of this phone. Let's go to the About Phone section of the settings and take a closer look at the key technical specifications of Honor 400 5G. This phone is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 processor, has 12 gigs of RAM plus 12 gigs of Honor RAM Turbo, and 512 gigs of internal storage. It's equipped with a 200 megapixel main camera at the back with a large 1/1.4-inch sensor. It has a 12 megapixel ultra-wide camera and a 50 megapixel selfie cam. All cameras of Honor 400 5G can record 4K videos at 30 frames per second with gyro EIS. It also has a 6.55-inch 2736 by 1264 Honor Eye Comfort screen, and it's powered by a 6000 mAh silicon carbon battery that supports up to 80 watts fast charging. This is Honor 400 5G, your AI phone! Alright, so there you have it. Habol na and pre-order your Honor 400 5G unit to enjoy all of the amazing freebies that I showed you na amounting to almost 10,000 pesos. Okay? Thumbs up!